So on Monday night, I had an accident while cooking. I was using a sandwich press to make sausages, and I dropped the handle on the sausages and all the fat flew up into my face. I managed to close my eyes. I was extremely lucky not to have any damage to my eyes. But I wanted to just get on here and see this as an opportunity to really advocate for people to slow down in the kitchen. I think that too many of us rush around when we're preparing dinner, and I know I have had other injuries before, and I'm not the first, when I've been DM'd by so many people who have told me about their burns and their wounds from cooking. So I think it's just a really good, use this as a reminder to you to slow down, be more mindful, think about what you're doing, be careful around hot oil, be careful around knives, because you can so easily have an accident and you may not be as lucky as I was. And also with burns, this is what I've learned, not to put ice on them. The best thing to do is to put your burn under cold running water for 20 minutes or even half an hour if you can. I did that instinctively. I put my face under the tap, but then we swapped to ice water, and I'm told that it can make it worse. So make sure if you ever have a burn, do that, and then straight to emergency.